Jennifer Nicole Lee, and welcome to my YouTube channel, JNLYouTube.com. Rhinestones. Hey there, Glamour Hounds. It's Jennifer Nicole Lee with another episode of Fashion Wars. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of my Gucci haul, and I have one last one. What do you think it is? Well, if you missed part one with the Marmont bag, make sure you go back and check that out. And part two with the Gucci t-shirt, please also watch that one as well. Last but not least, we're gonna open up this one. Now, you saw Jennifer Lopez wearing these. She actually was wearing these with an open toe high heel. And what do you think it is? A tie, a belt, oh, a pair of socks. Woo! I love these. You know what, these are a surprise to me because I work with a contact at Gucci, and they were like, we're gonna have you unbox some fun things. So this one I was not expecting. Socks, why not? But if you look actually at the runway collection of the Gucci, you're gonna see that a lot of the ladies were wearing these. They wear them slouched down, chunky around the ankle, or all the way pulled up. They're wearing them with a closed toe Mary Jane, or even an open toe. If you saw Jennifer Lopez's latest photo shoot with Gucci, you saw that she had these, and I think they had actually rhinestones on them and crystals, and I think that those were a different one than these. And she actually had them pulled, slouched down, and with an open toe high heel, which is really cool. She's wearing a tutu with it. Absolutely love these. These are size medium, of course, made in Italy, and these are really cool. I'm gonna really rock these out. Again, I think I'm gonna wear them with an open toe shoe, slouched down, similar to what J-Lo did. So I don't even want to know how much these pair of socks were. If I see them, I'm going to be like, I'm not going to wear these. These are going back in the box. I'm going to frame them, right? All right, guys, thank you for watching, and post your comments below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more Fashion Wars. Stay fabulous, my friends.